In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself and your screen using Canva. This is a fantastic way to create engaging content, whether you're working on a presentation, tutorial, or simply want to share ideas creatively. Without further ado, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Canva in your preferred web browser and log into your account if you're not already. Once you're in, look for the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your design tools are conveniently located. Here, you'll find an option labeled Uploads. This is your first step. Go ahead and click on Uploads. This area is the gateway for all your recordings, allowing you to seamlessly add personal media to your designs. With Uploads open, you'll notice a variety of options available to you, but what we're focusing on today is the ability to record yourself. On the screen, find and click on the button that reads Record Yourself. This feature is quite powerful as it facilitates both video and screen recordings directly within Canva. As you click Record Yourself, you'll be introduced to Canva's Recording Studio interface. Here, you'll see several options to tailor your recording experience. This includes choosing to record just your screen, just your camera, or even both simultaneously, depending on the needs of your project. Now, take a moment here to ensure that your microphone and camera above your screen are working correctly. You can also make any adjustments to your setup, such as camera angle or lighting, ensuring everything looks and sounds great. Once you're satisfied with your setup, it's time for the exciting part, recording. Look for a button labeled Record and click on it when you're ready to start capturing your video. Remember, it's completely normal to feel a bit nervous at first, but with each session you'll become more comfortable and natural. During recording, feel free to express yourself, convey your ideas, and bring your content to life. Canva makes it easy to pause if you need to catch your breath or adjust your thoughts. If you need to stop and review any portion of your recording, don't worry. Canva provides you with a straightforward interface to stop and save your work at any point. After you click stop, you'll have the option to preview your recording. Take this time to check for any mistakes or areas you might want to redo. If it's perfect, you can proceed to add your recordings directly into your Canva project. And there you have it, creating engaging, high quality content with Canva's recording tools is really that simple. This method not only enhances your projects, but also ensures that your audience stays engaged with visually appealing and personalized content. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create with your newfound skills. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.